To be able to embody a teaching and a practice ensures the survival of our people. So then they can go and teach somebody else. So they carry it inside them now if they embody it. So they need experiential opportunities. So these ones are going into the tortillas. So you see how it grabs? I'm hanging onto it. My tips of my fingers are back. The Manitoba First Nations school system asked if I could give support to the teacher who was teaching a home ec class. I'm a home ec teacher, so I thought, well, I'll see what I got here in the can ready to go, and then started planning with her.
We're cooking. I'm slicing peppers, bell peppers.
Everything that I brought out there was a diet that was suitable to Dakota people. That was their way. So I sourced out from different stores in the city here the right type of corn, the different spices that would have been held in the kitchen. Let's go cook the meatballs. Making bison meatballs, okay? Did you ever make meatballs before? Okay. Some of you, or maybe one of you, will make the cranberry sauce. Would you like to make the cranberry sauce? I'll show you how. 1 cup of water, 1 bag of cranberries right here. So I bought the ocean spray, that's what they had available. So you're gonna rinse these and you're gonna pick out any that look moldy. I brought maple syrup because I wanted to keep true to our ingredients, okay? So just 3 ingredients to make jam. Berries, maple syrup, and water. They were so on the ball and ready to learn when it came to hands-on with the food. It's just starting to break open, and there's an ingredient or a chemical in there called pectin. As it cooks and opens, the pectin's going to come out, making your jam thick. Okay? So it's got to cook a little longer. You got to watch it because it's going to rise up. Jam always does that. Preheat the oven to 450.
Yeah, my hand's already getting pretty sore.
Quite
So mixing it. Yeah.
I like your size. Size of a quarter. Nice, okay. All right. Yeah, like this. Aim for that size, okay? And then close together. So work fast. Work as fast as you can so we can get that in the oven. They made their own tortillas. They all tried new foods that they never tried before. We know from research it takes 15 tries at least of a new food to be able to adopt it, embrace it into your diet. But they were all willing to try everything that was there. And they told me that they gave a thumbs up for almost all of the products that we had. We had homemade corn tortillas, we had fresh vegetable fillings, then we had cranberry sauce, and then we had bison meatballs to dip the cranberry sauce into, and they liked all of it.
Really new experience. I'm so happy.
What's the most important skill in cooking?
Keep everything clean so you don't get sick.
How about you? What did you learn?
Same thing as her.
I want the students to know that they have the right to harvest from the land and to feed themselves from the land. And if they don't know the skills of how to harvest, how to hunt, to go seek from knowledge keepers before the knowledge keepers are gone.